Hey guys, so I saw this TikTok hack where the guys use some pretty simple household ingredients to clean up your exhaust. Now, as you can see, mine is pretty dirty. So I'll just go zoom in here so you can see just how dirty it is. Now, this is my second round, by the way. The first round was actually that dirty. You notice that? You see, compared to this and this, how dirty that is? So the first round, I just simply lather on some cleaning agent, which I'll show you in a second. And here is the other side of the exhaust. You can see here how dirty that is. But you also see that. You see that? How clean that is? And all I had to do, no brushing, no polishing, was use this. I simply lathered this on. Amazing, right? Well, so what I've done is basically just took a brush and brushed this onto the exhaust and just left it for 20 minutes and, well, rinsed it off. And just look at this. Look at how shiny that is. Anyway, now I'm on my second round of brushing on, because admittedly that exhaust has not been cleaned for at the very least 2 years. This is a 4-year-old bike, so it's been that long since I last cleaned it. So we'll see in a bit what the result looks like. So I'll get back to this video in a bit and show you my results of 2 rounds. Lathering the cleaning fluid on, leaving it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes each time, and then rinsing it off with just a normal garden hose, and we'll see what the results looks like. Right, be right back. So welcome back to part 2. Previously let's see, so there you can see those the exhaust before I spray the rinse. Now that is a result. As you can see, zero brushing, nada. Absolutely no brushing. Just wipe on and rinse off. You can see the results right there. See that? Now, after 2 years of non-washing, no brushing this thing, I'd say that's pretty good. It's pretty damn good. See if we can get anything more with a little brushing. Yeah, I need to brush. Because it get handy by using a brush. See. Just let them apples. Like that. It's a little light brushing. Imagine if I really spend the time. Anyway, next I'll show a side-by-side comparison of before and after. Hope you like this video. Until next time, chill out.